Jean Deocariza, and I am going to report about the contradiction type of logical proposition. This is a relation which exists between propositions that differ both in quantity and quality. Now, when you define contradiction in the dictionary, it means to assert the contrary of or deny the truth of. Thank you for the dictionary. Okay, so now let's move on. There are two types of proposition that may contradict each other. First is the A proposition and O proposition. And when you say A proposition, it is the universal or singular affirmative propositions. And the O proposition is the particular negative proposition. The second type of proposition that may contradict each other is the I proposition and the E proposition. The I proposition is the particular affirmative proposition and the E is the universal or singular negative proposition. Now remember, contradictories cannot both be true or false. If one is true, then the other is false. Or the other way around, if one is false, the other one should be true. Now let me give you an example. For the A and O proposition, example number 1. For the universal or singular affirmative proposition, all girls have short hair. And for the O proposition or the particular negative proposition, not all girls have short hair. Consider the two sentences. Which one is true? That would be the O proposition because not all girls have short hair. Just look at my hair right now. It's not even considered short. Now my second example for the A and O proposition. For the A proposition, all mangoes are fruits. And for the O proposition, some mangoes are not fruits. The true sentence here is that all mangoes are fruits. And for the false one is the O proposition that some mangoes are not fruits. Now moving on to my next examples for the I and E propositions. For the I or the particular affirmative proposition, some men are women. And for the E proposition or the universal singular negative proposition, no men are women. Consider the two sentences I mentioned a while ago. Which one is true and which one is not? Well, that would be the E proposition that no men are women, unless they are transgenders or gay and the likes, lesbians or what. Now for my second example for the I and E proposition. For the E proposition, no pillows are soft. And for the I proposition, some pillows are soft. This one is true that some pillows are soft because pillows are actually made to be soft for us to be comfortable to sleep in. Well, who would want to have a hard pillow anyway? Okay, so that is all that I am going to discuss for today. So just remember this, that the types of proposition that may contradict each other is just the A and O proposition and the I and E proposition. And just remember that the other one should always be true and the other one is false. Okay, so thank you everyone.